Did you know that every single year, thousands of this chair are dumped into the landfills, losing thousands, maybe tens of thousands of dollars for those companies, and on top of that, damaging our environment? I'm gonna give you guys 3 reasons why you should never throw away your Herman Miller Aeron chairs. Number 1, you can always come to our store and watch our videos on YouTube as to how to repair these chairs and purchase the parts that you need to change the seat mesh if you need to, or the back mesh, or even the arm pads, all the way down to the casters and the cylinders. Everything can be fixed and replaced with this chair. And if you buy those parts from us, we'll show you exactly how to repair them. Number 2, you can sell your damaged or broken Herman Miller Aeron to us, to OfficeLogix, and we will buy them at very competitive market prices. Number 3, you can always go back to us directly and have us refurbish your entire company's chairs and make them exactly like new again. We've done this for over tens of thousands of Aerons and for over 6 years. We know exactly what we're doing, and we'll make those chairs come back like new at a fraction of the cost. Thanks a lot, guys, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.